remember way back 2016, after my maternity leave from my firstborn, I had to go back. I had to go back to work, and we had to enroll him in daycare, and we had to enroll our son in daycare. So as we all know, daycare expenses are it's very expensive. During the time, I had to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I had to wake him up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we get back home at 6 o'clock in the evening. It's very long hours for a 12-month-old baby to be outside, to be in daycare. And I remember that time he always gets sick. Actually, we had to give him an antibiotic every other week, and then giving an antibiotic for that 12-month-old baby is not safe, right? He always gets ear infections. So the doctor told us that they had to put ear tubes, both his ears. So he needed to undergo a surgery, my son, and that was a short procedure actually, but they needed to put him to sleep during the procedure. So I remember in the hospital that time, I was crying, I was worried, I was nervous, I was scared. It's just mixed emotions as a mom, right? And I used all my sick days, my vacation off, just to stay home and take care of my son every time he gets sick. We had a very busy routine that time, and it got to the point that I don't want to go out on weekends anymore. I just want to rest. I'm tired. But that gave me a guilt by not taking him out on weekends. Sometimes I just hear myself crying at nighttime because I was just mentally stressed out. So fast forward, September 2018, I gave birth to our second child. That hit me and made me realize that I don't want to start that crazy routine again when I get back to work after my maternity leave. So October 2018, I saw this opportunity, just like you guys, I watched the webinar and I jumped in right away. My goal was to supplement my income that I was earning as a daycare teacher, so I don't need to go back to work. I work hard, and then after 6 months, I was able to quit my daycare job. And to my surprise, I've been earning way more than from my 9 to 5 job actually. And last year we had an amazing summer. We didn't have to worry about finances. We took the kids out almost every weekend, and we booked a vacation. And I say I'm actually enjoying our lifestyle right now, to be honest. And I can attend my son's activities at school without asking permissions from anyone to take a day off or to take a sick days if I get sick or if my kids get sick. Now, for the results, my biggest month so far, I made $9,587 for just 1 month. So that's only for 1 month. This was a big deal for my family because especially since that income, it supplemented my husband's income. When I started, I finished my training at least a week. And the thing, that time, I was still recovering from my C-section surgery at the time. How much do I spend time in the business per day? I would say only at nighttime, and sometimes I check my business in the morning for at least half an hour when the kids are still sleeping. So if you are watching right now, guys, and still may have doubts, keep in mind, I had those same doubts myself. But I just want to emphasize that this business has brought so much positive changes in my life. And I know it will do the same for you as well. So get your business started and you'll be glad you ever did. Without a plan, you're going to stay where you are. It's time to make a move. Again, thank you for giving me time to talk about my experiences like Taryn and Leanne. And hopefully in the future, someone's watching this webinar for the first time will be sharing